Hi, my name is Mark Seymour, manager of the Northstar Global Income Fund, and this is an update for the fourth quarter 2025. The fund continued its strong returns during the quarter, which resulted in a 10% return for the year, which is well ahead of its real return target of 2%. The macroeconomic backdrop remains favorable for the assets in the fund. You've got inflation, which continues to moderate, and monetary policy, which continues its easing, although we are probably closer to the end of that cutting cycle. In terms of the returns that were generated, the Northstar Global Equity Buy List did very well during the year, outperforming the MSCI. And then you had US Treasury yields, although did not rally that much, were steady. And so on a forward-looking basis, US Treasuries remain attractively priced with a 3% return out of the front end of the curve, and that return increasing likely up to about 6% in the long end of the curve. Looking at the Northstar Global Equity Buy List, the intrinsic value discounts have narrowed somewhat, so that does warrant some caution. So for that reason, the equity weighting in the Northstar Global Income Fund has been reduced a fraction. But stacking that all those factors up, the expected return out of the Northstar Global Income Fund on a 3-year basis is in the region of about 7%. And so certainly if inflation continues to behave, then the real returns are well within target for a low risk investor in the global space. So certainly the Northstar Global Income Fund remains well positioned for a low risk investor.